Curious about a career in athletic training? In this video, we'll talk about what athletic trainers do, why they're essential to the economy, what skills you'll need for this career, industries that you can expect to work in, schools and programs that will equip you for an athletic training career, and other resources. So, what exactly is athletic training? Athletic training is defined as the provision of comprehensive healthcare services to athletes, including preventive preparation, evaluation of illnesses and injuries, first aid and emergency care, rehabilitation, and other related services. Athletic trainers, or ATs for short, are highly qualified, multi-skilled healthcare professionals who render service or treatment under the direction of or in collaboration with a physician. As a part of the healthcare team, services provided by athletic trainers include primary care, injury and illness prevention, wellness promotion and education, emergent care, examination and clinical diagnosis, therapeutic intervention, and rehabilitation of injuries and medical conditions. The presence of on-site healthcare is bound to become more important in the coming years as students' participation in sports increases and sports continue to become more popular. Sports injuries have become increasingly complex and are beginning to be understood as having long-term implications if not recognized and treated early, like concussions, for instance. An athletic trainer's ability to respond to an athlete's issues in an expeditious manner may help translate to decreased cost for schools, parents, and sports establishments, not to mention the positive implications for the safety of the athletes. Check out this video for a glimpse into what athletic trainers actually do. The link will be in the description. Skills needed for a career in athletic training. The following skills are essential for athletic trainers to have: the ability to perform in high-stress situations, empathy to provide treatment in a way that is compassionate and genuine, excellent communication skills to provide information to all stakeholders in a way that will foster a better understanding of the athlete's prognosis moving forward, good evaluation skills to evaluate various factors that may have led to each injury, and accurately identify pain generators and root causes to implement optimal treatment strategies, and of course, a keen interest in sports. Industries that require athletic training. Athletic trainers treat a range of patients and can work in a variety of settings, such as public and private secondary schools, colleges and universities, professional and Olympic sports, youth leagues, municipal and independently owned youth sports facilities, physician practice similar to nurses, physician assistants, physical therapists, and other professional and clinical personnel, rural and urban hospitals, hospital emergency rooms, urgent and ambulatory care centers, police and fire departments and academies, municipal departments, branches of the military, performing arts including professional and collegiate level dance and music, and many more. Athletic trainers may continue their education and training beyond the bachelor's degree, which can prepare them for related careers like an occupational therapist, physical therapist, or even a chiropractor. These careers also deal with therapeutic techniques for injuries. The advancement options all require at least a master's degree, but the fundamental classroom and clinical experiences learned in an athletic trainer program will equip them to transition well. Upon venturing into any of these fields, they may open private practices. Economic outlook. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics classifies this as a bright outlook occupation due to its excellent prospects. The agency predicts that employment of athletic trainers will grow much faster than the average for all occupations between 2019 and 2029, by about 16%. The top 3 industries with the highest levels of employment among athletic trainers are colleges, universities, and professional schools, general medical and surgical hospitals, and offices of other health practitioners. The top paying state is the District of Columbia, with an annual mean wage of $72,970, followed by Hawaii, paying $62,340, and in third is Massachusetts, with a mean of $62,110. Check out the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics website in the description to see the data for your state. Your next steps. There are multiple options when it comes to jumpstarting your career in these fields. The most popular and traditional approach would be to get a bachelor's degree. Some 4-year colleges that offer the program include Indiana State University, University of Idaho, and East Stroudsburg University of Pennsylvania. Then there are schools that offer associate's degree in this field, such as Coffeyville Community College, Allen Community College, Ellsworth Community College, and Sheridan College. You can use a directory to search for relevant institutions in your desired state. You'll find a link to a directory in the description below. If you prefer online learning, schools like California University of Pennsylvania, Penn Foster, Herzing University, and Kaiser University offer online programs in athletic training. For more affordable options, both in terms of time and money, there's the option of online courses and certificates via both edX and Coursera. If you are interested in athletic training as a career, you can check out some of the schools mentioned here. Visit their websites and search for more information. You can also contact the program representatives, and I'm sure they'll be happy to provide you with more information on their school and the admission process. Most of the schools I have mentioned also offer financial aid and scholarships, should you happen to need help funding your studies. Now, the ball is in your court. Do your research. Talk to your guidance counselors at school or professionals who can help you understand more about the field. Research schools and programs that will be a good fit for you, and most importantly, believe in yourself and keep your dreams alive. Don't forget to download the worksheet in the description below. Please share this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.